What's up, guys? This is T-Man, and today we're talking about 8 new 9mm pistols that Americans just can't stop buying in 2025. Now, I don't know what's in the water this year, but gun makers came out swinging. We've got everything from micro compacts that disappear in your waistband to double-stack 1911s that shoot like lasers and look like a Bond villain sidearm. Some of these are legit carry guns. Some are just damn cool. And yeah, a couple are stupid expensive, but people are still scooping them up like ammo during lockdowns. Why? Because performance talks, and these guns perform. So buckle up. We've got classics, game changers, and a few wild cards coming your way. Let's dive in. Let's kick it off with a straight-up banger, the Canik MC9 Prime. This thing is what happens when a budget brand just stops playing around. You're looking at a 3.18-inch barrel, overall length of 6.1 inches, and somehow they still managed to cram 17 plus 1 into this micro compact. Yeah, 17. That's borderline witchcraft. Canik's always been known for solid triggers, and this one's no different. Flat face, 90-degree break, stupid short reset. For a striker-fired pistol under $500, it's honestly one of the best out there. And they didn't cheap out on the extras either. You get two 17-round mags, interchangeable backstraps, night sights, an optics-ready slide, and even a G-code holster that flips between IWB and OWB. That's like getting a full EDC kit in one box. The slide serrations are grippy without being cheese graters, and controls are ambi. So, lefties, you're not totally screwed for once. This thing feels premium in the hand. The texture, the balance, even the case it comes in. Canik went full send. It's affordable, accurate, high capacity, and legit ready to carry straight from the store. I'd take this over a Hellcat or Shield Plus any day. Not even close. Unless you just have to flex a name brand, the MC9 Prime is a no-brainer. Now we're jumping from budget king to full-blown baller. The Staccato HD is a Glock mag-fed, double-stack beast that blends competition performance with duty-ready features. And yeah, it costs a stack, but man is it worth it. Staccato slimmed the grip down by using Glock mags instead of traditional 2011 ones, which makes this thing feel closer to their CS or C series. It's still got that classic grip angle, but now it fits more hands and carries better. Controls? Fully ambidextrous. Extended slide lock levers, reversible mag release, and no more grip safety. They ditched it entirely, makes the gun more reliable and lets you ride your hand higher for better recoil control. Smart move. You're also getting a revamped recoil and fire control system. It's smoother, cleaner, and somehow even more shootable than the older Staccatos. It's also optics ready with their host plate system, so DOT users are covered right out the gate. It's basically a 2011 that plays nice with Glock mags. Cheap, bomb-proof, and everywhere. Law enforcement's gonna love this. Shooters are already obsessed. It's not cheap, but nothing this good ever is. The HD gives you all the performance of a race gun with the trust factor of a carry gun. It's the kind of pistol that makes your old carry gun feel like a cap gun. HK finally stopped teasing us and dropped the VP9A1 series, and man, they did not disappoint. We're talking two models here, the VP9A1F, full size, and the VP9A1K, which is the compact HK fans have been begging for. The K version rocks a 4.09-inch barrel and a short 5.12-inch tall frame. Meanwhile, the A1F keeps that classic 4.53-inch barrel and full-size vibe. What's new? A smoother, nickel Teflon-coated trigger bar for a cleaner break, full modular grip setup with interchangeable backstraps and side panels, flared magwell, and front-rear maritime serrations that grip like gym chalk on leg day. Both models come ready with high-capacity options. 15, 17, and even 20-round mags. You can even swap mags with the OG VP9, so you're not stuck rebuying all your gear. Huge win. They took everything great about the VP9 and fixed the little stuff. The trigger feel, grip fit, and magwell. This is the most carryable, shootable, and modular VP9 yet. It's a refined tool in a market full of tactical nonsense. And yeah, it's HK, so the quality's always baked in. If you're a 1911 guy who also wants double-stack capacity and carry practicality, Springfield's DS Prodigy Compact is your jam. Available in 3.5-inch or 4.25-inch barrels, both variants rock a 15-round flush-fit mag, agency-ready optics compatibility, and enough grip texture to stay locked even if your palms are sweaty from Taco Bell regret. The front sight is tritium for low light work. The rear is a black serrated U-notch, and the controls are all 1911 style, ambi-thumb safety, beaver tail grip safety, and a nice, crisp trigger. No fluff, just function. They also slicked this thing out with a black DLC-coated barrel and Cerakoted steel frame. Looks clean, feels clean, shoots even cleaner. It blends that classic 1911 feel with legit modern performance. You're getting old-school confidence with new-school carryability. For $1,549, it's not cheap. But compared to high-end double-stack 1911s, it's practically a steal. This is your EDC when you want to flex, but also not print through your hoodie. Next up, we've got the Smith & Wesson CSX E-Series, a compact hammer-fired option that finally joined the optics party. You get your choice of a 3.1-inch or 3.6-inch barrel and mag options from 10 to 17 rounds, depending on how much grip you're willing to show. The big upgrade? It's now optics-ready with an RMSC footprint and features Smith & Wesson's clear sight cut. Basically, a gas diversion trick to keep your red dot lens from getting fogged or smoked out. Modular grip adapter lets you tweak the fit for deep concealment or a full fighting grip. Controls are ambi. The trigger's cleaner than the original CSX with a straighter pull and solid reset. You get slim size, hammer-fired reliability, and optics compatibility in a gun that feels great to carry. MSRP lands around $699, and honestly, it's a solid EDC for folks who want something different than your typical striker-fired crowd pleaser. It's like a classed-up shield with better manners. Alright, Glock lovers, this one's for you. In 2025, Glock teamed up with Aimoint and dropped what they're calling the COA packages. It's basically your favorite Glock, G43X, G48, G19, G45, or G47, with a factory-milled slide and Aimoint COA red dot pre-installed. That's right, factory red dot, zero guesswork. The COA dot sits lower than the acro, which means you can co-witness with your stock iron sights. It's built tough too, tested for 40,000 rounds of abuse. This ain't your cousin's eBay optic. MSRP ranges from $1,002 to $1,165, depending on the model. It sounds steep, but when you factor in slide milling and an acro-quality optic, it's a damn good deal. It's plug-and-play Glock perfection. No sending slides out, no optic roulette, just mount up and go. You're getting classic Glock reliability with Aimpoint clarity in one neat package. It's not flashy, but it's freaking effective. It's like buying a Toyota Tacoma that already comes with the lift kit and light bar. No hassle, all go. Now this one right here, the Nighthawk Double Agent, is straight-up custom carry porn. It's a commander-sized double-stack 1911, hand-fit by a single gunsmith and built for both concealed carry and pure flex appeal. You're getting 16-round mags, a super smooth 3.5-pound trigger, and a level of fit and finish that makes your other pistols feel like toys. Slide serrations and grip are precision knurled, grippy but not abrasive. The slide glides like it's on buttered rails. Seriously, it cycles smoother than your mom's stand mixer on Thanksgiving. Also includes an interchangeable optic system, so you can go iron sights to red dot or swap between dots with nothing but an Allen key. Brilliant. It's heirloom quality, built for shooters who want high-end carry without sacrificing performance. It ain't cheap, but if you've got the coin, it's like wearing a Rolex you can shoot. This is your suit and tie carry gun, the one that makes everyone at the range stop and stare. All right, the Laugo Alien Remus. This thing looks like it dropped out of a spaceship and landed at a 3-gun match. It's got a 4-inch barrel, measures 7.2 inches overall, and weighs in at 29 ounces. But what makes it special? That ultra-low bore axis. We're talking almost below the grip low. That means zero muzzle flip, laser beam flat shooting, and rapid-fire accuracy that'll make your buddies mad. The optics rail is fixed. The slide moves under it, so your red dot stays rock solid while the rest of the gun cycles. Then there's the push-to-rack feature. Press a button on top and use the optic housing to rack the slide. Weird? Yeah. Cool? Definitely. It comes with two 15-round mags, modular grips, and a launch kit that includes a holster and spare parts. MSRP Try $6,200. Yep, it's spicy. It's like buying a McLaren, insanely engineered, ridiculously priced, and completely over the top. You're not carrying it, but damn, do you want to shoot it? All right, guys, that's the list. 8 of the hottest, most talked about 9mm pistols of 2025. From budget bangers like the Canik MC9 Prime to workhorses like the VP9A1 and Glock COA series, all the way up to wallet melters like the Nighthawk Double Agent and Alien Remus. These guns are flying off the shelves for good reason. Whether you're building your EDC, upgrading your range gun, or just want something sexy to flex on your buddies, there's something in this lineup for every shooter. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you'd pick up or which one you think is totally overrated. I read them all, and if you roast me, I might just roast you back in the next vid. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll check you later.